Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can convert your Roblox credit into Robux. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for roblox.com. Make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, tap on the Robux icon at top right corner of your screen. As you can see, there is no such option available here. If I open the gift cards embed, there is a chance that this feature is present there. If it is, you can try it out, but if it isn't, tap on the Buy Robux button and select any one plan. After that, tap on the Roblox redemption card feature, and you can see that the feature is now available. You can simply use it and convert your Roblox credit into Robux. That's how you can convert your Roblox credit into Robux. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.